Um, I'm going to solve a problem, sample problem about pipes in series and parallel. This is under the topic flow in closed conduits. So here's the problem. The pipes shown in the system are all concrete with a flow of 25 cubic feet per second of water. Find the head loss and the division of flow in the pipes from A to B. So find the head loss. It means total head loss from A to B. And kung division of flow in the pipes, meaning ang flow sa three pipes. Yan. Bale, 25 ang flow rate. It will enter junction A. And then ma-divide na diri nga junction. Okay. And then the same amount will flow sa 30-inch pipe to B. Assume F equal to 0.03 for all pipes. Okay. Now, take note of this. In pipes in parallel, no matter which pipe is involved, the pressure difference between the two junctions is the same. So for example, Tina junction, junction 1 and junction 2. No matter which pipe is involved, either ang 14-inch pipe, ang 12-inch pipe, or ang 16-inch pipe, bisan nasa sa tulo, the pressure difference between the two junctions is always the same. Yeah? The same pressure difference sa 14-inch pipe or bisan nasa sa tulo, may consider same. Also, the elevation difference between the two junction points is the same. Okay? And it follows that the head loss between the two junction points is the same in both of the pipes of the parallel pipe system. Bisan pag pila ka pipes naka-connect ani nga junction, junction 1, junction 2, equal ang tanan head losses na. Kay same raman sila og junction sud. So, even if nakay 10 ka pipes yung naka-connect ani nga junction 1 and 2, equal sila og head loss. Tanan nga pipes ha, nga naka-connect na. So, always remember this in solving problems about pipes in series and parallel. Kay equations man additional equation ni mo. Okay. Sige. Let us start. Sa 24-inch pipe, dili magsulod ang water, no? From A. Mo niya ang flow rate, 25 cubic feet per second. Dito tayo mag Q1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no? By diameter atong subscript Q24, 25 cubic feet per second. So, pag abot diri nga junction is i-divide na dire Q14, dire Q12 and Q16. So ang Q14 dire siya ma-flow. Bababa ang Q12 dire, Q16 dire sad. Okay, so kini silang tulo dayon, then na siya magawas. Q30. Oh, pero same raman yapon. Kung pila ang musulod, 25, same ra sa dili sa exit. 25 ra yapon. So, ang makuha ni mga equation ni about discharge is that kini will be divided into this one, 14, 12, and 16. So, Q24 is equal to Q14 plus Q12 plus Q16, and it is equal to 25. So, ang unknowns na to, kini lang tulo ka discharge, 14, 12, and 16. So, we need 3 equations. We have 1. We need 2 more equations. Asa na ito nakuhaon? Sa head loss. Okay? So, let us start sa junction A. Sa A, i-plot nimo ang hydraulic grid line. Suppose na dire. So hydraulic grid line is ang value or ano na is sum na siya sa elevation head o pressure head, no. And assuming given ng elevation ang elevation niya. So balik na vertical distance niya, pressure head na lang niya. Okay. Now, due to pipe loss, head loss, or friction loss, ang imong hydraulic grid line mo baba na siya, mo decrease na. So diri nga junction, kini na lang. And so nag-drop ang hydraulic grid line. For this junction, due to friction loss, mo drop na sad. So gikan dire, mo drop sad na dire. And so na po tayo difference, no? Na-drop sa hydraulic grid line. And then finally, at junction B, mo drop na sad na. And mo niyang drop sa hydraulic grid line. So kung kuha na to ang values, kane bale, friction loss na for this pipe. Okay. So i-denote na to as H30. Okay. Kini sad, okay. Head loss na siya sa 14. Pero kung i-base ito dire, the head loss between the two junction points is the same in both of the pipes. Kana kung duha ay may consider. Pero kung daghan, tanan pipes nga naka-connect ato nga junction, equal sa tanan. So H14 at the same time, it is equal to H12 and at the same time equal to H16. Okay, same naman sila og junction. So equal ilang head losses, friction loss. And then this one, head loss for the 24-inch pipe, friction loss. So one of the questions problem is find the head loss or the total head loss. It is referring to the head loss from A to B, this one. Total head loss. Okay. So, kuha na to. Equation 2 is direta. H14 equal to H12. And then equation 3, dire yapon. Gitulo man sila. H14 equal to 16 or 12 is equal to 16 kini. So, ang expression na to sa H, kaya naman to Q dito. Expression sa H na Q dito. So, ang unknowns dire, Q14, Q12, Q14, Q16. Now, so we have 3 equations with 3 unknowns. Kana lang. Sige. So, muna itong equation, H14, 12. So, kuha ko na ito, ang head loss. This is the expression of H, F, L over D, and V squared over 2G. This is velocity head. Diba? Pero instead of V, express na ito into Q. And V is equal to Q over A man. Diba? So, ang A dayon, kay circular man ang pipe, ang A na to is pi D squared over 4. Pero square man, if you will simplify, depende na lang sa G. Kaya katong V ni mo Q over A, ang A ato will be replaced by pi D squared over 4. So, mo itong D squared, tapos square pagod ang V, D to the 4th. Times D, muna na kay D to the 5th. Ang constant na lang dayon, depende na lang. Pi over 4 squared, so that would be pi squared over 16. Yan na 2, there is 8. So, masaka ang 8. 8 divided by pi squared G. So, ang G depende na. Pag English, it's 32.2 feet per second squared. Pag SI, it's 9.81 per second squared. Okay. So, mo na expression pag English system. So, ang 0.0252 it is equal to 8 over pi squared Ninya divided by 32.2 mo yung result. While for SI, 0.0826. So, yun sa pagkuwang 0.0826, it's 8. Kaya itong kanina, no? Pi over 4 niya squared man. Pi squared over 16. Niya makancel din siya to 8 na lang. So, 8 ni divided by pi squared divided by 9.81. Mo ni siya. Para in case makalimot ka, you can always go back ani na expression. Pwede ra. If ever makamalimtan nimo ning constant dere. Sige. But since ang aton data is feet and inches, then kini itong gamiton. Okay? English. So compute na to H1, H24, H14, H12, H16, and H30. Sige. For H24, mamala yun, 0.0252 FL 2000. Ang diameter na to must be in feet also. Para consistent. Kaya nga itong Q, cubic feet per second man. O na may Q nisa, di ba? 25. Cubic feet per second. Ang atong L feet. Dapat ang atong diameter feet. So, i-divide na to 12 conversion from inches to feet. Raised to the 5th power. So, mo niyang magawas 29.53125 feet. And then, sa 14, ano ni mong Q? No? Length niya 3,000, diameter 14. Mo niya? And then, sa 12, same lang. Nag-differ lang sila sa length o diameter. 16, 3,000 feet, 16 inches. And then last, for 30, 3,000 feet, diameter is 30. Na kay 14.5152. Okay. So, ang next na buhaton is i-compare na ito, 14 and 12. And nata-expression sa Q din. So, from 2, mo 14 equal to 12, 1.05 o 1.512. So, i-divide mo 1.512 divided by 1.05. So, ang resulta na is Q14 squared equal to constant Q12 squared. I-square root mo para Q14 na lang, Q12 na lang. So, ang quotient sa 1.512 o 1.05, get the square root, mo na yung coefficient sa Q12. 1.2. Muna ito yung equation 4. So, from 3 down, 14 equal to 16, 105.538. Kana. Same lang. I-divide na mo 0.538 divided by 1.05 and then get the square root. Mo na yung result. 0.716 Q16. And this will be equation number 5. So, complete na. We now have 3 equations. So, we can now solve for the discharge, the flow rate of the 3 pipes. Solving for the unknowns, equation 1, and then equation 4, and then equation 5. So, you use your calculator. If not, gamit ang method of elimination. Solve nimo. So, Q, 7.74, and then 12, 6.45, and then Z nimo, 16. So, kung i-add nimo, the total is equal to 25. Okay, and then last is solving for the total head loss. Mauman na siya, no? It's 24. Ang total head loss na to, kina difference is equal to this one plus any of the 3, either 14, 12, or 16 plus this one. So, kini na lang atong kaon kay we already have the value of 14 and 13. Kaya na naman sila yung mga Q, 25 ang Q ano yan. Naro, 29.53 naro. 24, 29.53125. Ang 30 sad 14.5152. So ang 40 na lang. Even if 12 imo gamiton Q12 or Q16, substitute nimo sa ilang H nila, you will still get the same value, 62.903. So i-add na nimo, mo ni ang total head loss. Okay, so mo ni siya ang style kung mag-solve ka og pipes in series and parallel. So ang focus nimo is kidiri. Because ang pag-add sa discharges, kini sa flow rate, dali lang man. Dili ka sa H. And always remember nga kini na the head loss between the two junctions is the same in both of the pipes of the parallel pipe system. So I hope that you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.